Hi everyone, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. Today we have a 2003 Honda Accord with a 3.0 liter V6. The customer's complaining it has an oil leak and spotting in his driveway. He's been to several other shops, and one person told me he needed valve cover gaskets, that you have to start at the top of the engine and work your way down. Another person said it's your oil pan, so he had the oil pan done and the valve covers done. He brought to my repair shop today. We found out that the rear main engine oil seal is actually coming out of the little plate that it's made onto. Now I called Honda just to see how many seals they've sold. In the last 5 months they've sold 9 seals. So it's a known problem on this type of vehicle. And I'll show you how I determined my approach by looking underneath the car, and I'll show you now. We're going to raise it up here, and somebody did put new valve cover gaskets on it. And we raised it up, I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's a lot of oil everywhere underneath the car, and there's no way that's going to come from valve cover gaskets. So the consumer's been to 2 shops, and every time they took them underneath the car to look at it, you see all this oil underneath the vehicle? This has always been here. So when they're telling them that they have to start at the top of the engine and work their way down, you're not going to get all this oil like this because of a valve cover. You'll get some oil right up in the front bay, dripping down on the front of the car, but it's not going to blow oil back like this underneath the whole car. This is a lot of oil. So next they changed the oil pan. The same with the oil pan. If you have a leak in the oil pan, which is right here where the seal is, you can see they put new sealer in here, and they put this pan up. And then what I did is when he brought it in, first I checked the oil and it was 2.5 quarts low because it's leaking so bad. And then I removed this little inspection cover right here, and then I looked up inside there, and I could actually see the seal. And we'll see if we can see it too. The little brown piece there that you see sticking out a little bit, well, you shouldn't see that at all. And so I started it up, and you can watch the oil drip right out of there. So you can see a little better shot from that side. So the seal is actually pushed out of the crankshaft, and that's why the oil is dripping out. So the reason I'm making this video for you, and I'll show you here, it's got this plate on the back of the motor and the seal fits on the plate. So what you're seeing is in between that and the transmission, the seals actually come out of that piece. So the reason I'm making this video for you is when you see that much oil is not going to come from a valve cover gasket. You can have oil running down from the top, running down, but you're not going to have that much oil where it's going to cover the whole bottom of the car. Same thing with the oil pan gasket. Yeah, you're going to have some oil, you're going to have some spotting, you're going to have some wetness, but you're not going to have the whole underneath the car full of oil. And this is what the customer's been complaining about since day one. He's been to 2 repair shops. I'm the 3rd repair shop. So the reason I'm making this is, you know, you can call your local Honda dealer, you can see how many of those seals they sell. 9 of them in 5 months, that's a big deal. These cars have a problem with those seals coming out. So when you do a little bit of research, you know those seals come out. When you see the amount of oil underneath the car, that's a huge amount of oil. That's not just a little bit. And then when you take the little inspection cover off, the inspection cover is just a little plate. It's just a little plate, and it has 2 6mm bolts that hold it on. And when you physically look up there and see the seal coming out, and I started the engine up, and you can see the seal wobbling around with the engine running. So you have to kind of put it together. When you see that amount of massive oil, you got to look at something more than an oil pan gasket. Sure, they'll leak, sure, they'll make a mess, but usually just in the area right where that's at, right in the front of the engine. It's not going to track down the whole car like that. So you have to have oil coming out very quickly and a large amount of it to make a steady stream of it coming out to make that much damage underneath the bottom of the vehicle. So someone just didn't take enough time to figure out when you have that much oil underneath. I know I'm being super redundant, but it's pretty obvious to me. When you have that much oil underneath, it's got to be, you got to look for a bigger leak. And if they would have taken the time to take that inspection cover off and let the engine run and watch the oil drip out, they could have helped this consumer instead of saying, well, we have to start from the top and work our way down, or we'll change your pan, but you may have another leak besides that. You have to take more time. I spent a half an hour, so in 30 minutes I showed this customer what's exactly wrong with his vehicle. I'm going to give him an exact price on it. So I'm making this video so in future, hopefully if you have the same situation with your car, you'll know it's a more serious leak when you see that much oil underneath. Thank you very much. Have a great day.